ViSCO Technologies provide automatic image processing inspection system, which boast of its high accuracy and performance. With automating appearance inspection as a replacement of the human eyes, it enables inspections to be more stable and reliable. The very first step of whole processes is to acquire images by camera. How properly we acquire the images of workpieces is most important because it affects to entire inspection processes. However, because shape and size of workpieces vary, cases could happen that one camera cannot cover whole area. Therefore, it captures multiple images of segmented areas when we make inspection of large-sized objects or outer face of cylindrical objects. These individually captured images are transferred to VTV9000, a main controller immediately, and are stitched to one image. With processing to a single stitched image, it becomes to be able to shorten processing time, and to make higher accuracy in measurement. Likewise, general appearance inspection, it detects defects with comparing to good sample images which were also stitched in advance. Whole the processes are possible because of VTV9000 that performs highly. It creates one seamless image with sub-pixel accuracy, which makes the inspection to be more precise. We, as the experts of appearance inspection, select the best combination of devices, which provide optimal tact time and accuracy that you demand. Gazo Hitasuji, images all the way. ViSCO Technologies, Thailand.